How to hide a YouTube channel on Android. This tutorial shows you how to completely remove a channel from your recommendations and feed. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device and find a video from the channel you want to hide. After that, if you just want to see less of that channel, you can tap the three dots next to the video and tap Not Interested. But if you want to completely remove it from your feed, keep watching. From there, tap on the channel name or profile picture to open the channel page. At this point, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the channel page to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Hide Channel to completely hide it. Following this, once hidden, that channel's videos will no longer appear anywhere in your home feed, search results, or recommendations. It's essentially invisible to you going forward. Finally, keep in mind that hiding a channel is different from blocking. The channel owner won't be notified, and you can still visit their page directly if you ever change your mind. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide a YouTube channel on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.